So now we're at the mall. I guess today they are having a job fair today, so people are here to look for a job. So they have the Los Angeles Police Department, Community Vision. Ready to go look? Want to look for a job? No? Want to look for a job?
What?
You want to look for a job? Come on, let's look around. You want to look around? Let's go.
Wait, are you recording this?
Hey guys, at Garden View, we're looking at the plants. Did you smell the lavender? Smells good, huh? So all we do is we just barely touch the leaves, and then we smell it. Smells good, huh? Lavender. French lavender, yes, it's nice, huh? What else? Did you smell the lavender, Mama? Smell good? Yeah, good. You like these ones? They are pretty. Those are Cape Plumbongo. They do look pretty.
Purple is my favorite color.
Yeah, purple's your favorite color. That's cool.
Yeah.